Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
All I did was wash my mouth, and that's it. Hey y'all. So let me introduce y'all to my new friend.
What's going on?
Yeah, so I was supposed to bang got on my flight, and it's 109. That didn't happen. And you want to tell them what happened?
And we're A or B group, A or B for Las Vegas. A or B.
Y'all, our flight got canceled.
Got canceled.
This was who I was gonna sit by. This was gonna be my flight buddy. End up being mine. Don't do Frontier at all. Like,
Alright, C1 through 30, welcome aboard.
I would never fly with Frontier ever again. Ever. Will you fly with them ever again?
Negative. Ever.
Like, seriously, like, I don't, anybody who rode on that flight today, I don't think they're gonna ride with Frontier ever again, for real.
Nah, they lost
like,
about good 400-500
it was
They not getting no more. It's over.
Like, for real. Unless, the only way they gonna get people is they get people how they got us. Like, we ain't know nothing. Deciding to like book a flight with Frontier, I didn't know that anything was wrong with them. Like, I didn't think that they was bad. Nothing. I didn't hear nothing about them, you know. And when you got here, it just was horrible. Like, I'm hearing everything. They talking about doors flying off. They
gave us $100 voucher.
Bro, then they gave us a $10 voucher for some food, and we can't even get it until 2 days. Like, you feel me? Like, bro, what is $100 voucher finna do?
Man, cancel the whole airline.
And we can't use the $100 voucher on no other flight except for Frontier flights. We don't want to fly Frontier no more. So it's like, why am I even? I don't want to do that. Like, no. So I had to book me a flight for $240. I'm not going to be landing in Miami until $640. I'm going to have to get my full refund for my other 2 flights that I missed.
Full refund.
Yeah, because I'm getting a full refund. Like, I don't care. Like, no. They had to give everybody, and we all waiting in line to try to see if we could get, like, you know, another flight. They had no flights available, nothing. And then the reason why they said that they had to cancel it was because of data. What they say? Data had
some data shit, man.
Yeah,
the system wasn't working. That's
yeah,
what it was.
some with it not working, so they just shut the whole thing down.
Come on,
like, that's just crazy, man. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all, I had to introduce y'all to my new friend because, yeah, I feel like it was a movie because, like, we met at the airport and we spent from, what time was that?
Sure, that's about 7 in the morning.
7 in the morning to 9. 1 in the afternoon. We're going to be 2 in the afternoon together. And, yeah, so crazy. I feel like a movie.
It's my homie.
I feel like a movie.
For real movie.
Nah, for real. For real. Like, oh my God. Then I got my luggage. He got his stuff. His bag.
You got a better flight.
Oh wait, my enemy. There we go. And he got him a flight too. So he going somewhere else. So we are going to be parting ways sadly when it's time for me to leave. Because his flight isn't until.
Attention passengers, there will be an interdenominational worship service opportunity in 15 minutes in the Concourse C Airport Chapel. A Christian 30-minute worship service will begin at 1:30 in the Concourse C Airport Chapel.
You irritated. You finna go do that at 1:30?
So thank you for choosing Chicago's Midway.
At 1:13, yeah. Yeah, because I pray that when we get this flight, yeah, we definitely go over there, because please, I hope nothing happen with my flight, like, please, like, we better be straight. They gonna hit my mouth if they cancel this flight. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't got nothing but $100 for them straight.
Cancel the whole facility.
Okay, I'm not letting up, like for real, like no. So yeah. But I just came over here to tell you guys that I'm gonna show y'all when I'm on the plane, all of that, and then when I land. So bye. Say bye.
See y'all.
Okay, y'all, so I'm getting corn in the cup. Y'all, why I miss my flight? Well, I ain't missing. That was at the wrong flight door. I was supposed to be at Miami. I was supposed to be at Fort Lauderdale. I was supposed to be at Fort Lauderdale. And ended up being at the Miami one, which is two different ones, though that is in Miami. So I had my brother come get me to my flight so later on. Now, just 3 times. I don't know if this is a sign or what. Yeah, like I've been. We're gonna try it again because I really wanna go. You know, so we're gonna see.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. I'm ballin' in the mall for my brothers. Oh, yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal back to Paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. This a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I could been a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, like Herford's gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating up out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they gon'
Okay, hey y'all. I made it.
Hey,
Go here.
y'all just missed the whole good last session.
No, for real.
Session's funny. I just had that walking.
We got my bestie.
I have my birthday in a few days.
Her birthday tomorrow. We got KK. Hey, okay.
Bitch, you just woke up.
That's what I'm talking about. Get the ass in that. And we got
that booty movie.
Tatia. Bitch,
Tatia, come on. You finna hit this wood, bitch. Wake up.
get your ass up.
Hey.
Bitch,
Y'all
get your
have
ass
to make
up.
it seem like.
Girl, what?
No, G.
What scene?
G, why?
What scene?
No, bro. G, why the fuck we in the smoke shop?
What?
And this bitch said something to me like, you wanna take a shot before your flight? I'm like, hell no, I don't wanna be fucked up. She talking about some, I ain't say fucked up. I said a shot. She saw, I'm like, oh. I'm like, well, I gotta see how I feel when I wake up. She got to understand. Well, she got to shot that good fucked up. She got to, cause y'all got me fucked up. Y'all like, oh, I said, bitch, I didn't even say that.
Her ass be tweaking, bro. She be taking the shit far.
Like, hold on, bitch. I thought you said that I was gonna take some shots before I got on the plane, bitch. Like,
Bitch, when she talk to you, bitch, be prepared for her to blame some shit on your ass after she say some shit to
what the fuck?
you.
I ain't even do nothing.
Oh my god. Okay, y'all. I done rolled up. I got them woke because I just landed at what time I got here? Probably
I
like
don't know.
1.
Bitch,
Everybody-
plane got delayed like 10 times.
My plane got delayed 3 motherfucking times.
Bitch boarded up the plane back.
I don't think God really wanted me to come for real. But I made a way. Better not shit happen. No, I ain't gonna lie. It was okay, a blessing in disguise too, cause I all of a sudden up some money in my motherfucking account.
Fuck this shit not work. I'm about to say, I know this shit not work.
Oh, your hand was that?
Bitch, you thought we was finna smoke in this Airbnb?
See, I forgot. I thought we was finna smoke.
You thought we was at home? Nah, bitch, we not at home.
No, that's good. Can we go on the front though, real quick? I do want to show them that.
Bitch, yeah, bitch, let's wait till it get burnt outside.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna go vlog, bitch. I gotta be a YouTuber for 1 second. Sorry.
Bitch, you be like, yo, let's talk to you.
No, keep the door open though, please. don't let me just go out there. Y'all ain't gonna come out the window for real?
Yeah, I just gotta put some pants on.
Oh, hey, girl.
Morning, ready?
I want to go in the front of the house.
I just want to show them right there real quick. Palm trees, real life, you feel me?
Huh? What?
Y'all lit ass.
What'd you say? It's recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. It's still on.
Y'all got my septum periods.
I done made the hoes.
It's about time. Well, why do your camera look
The hoes.
Right. The fuck?
My bad down.
No. Bitch, you is it?
Okay,
No.
wait. My camera like that because it was filter on. Y'all want me to take it off?
Yes. What you trying to say, bitch? For real? Why? Let me know. Bitch, you trying to say nothing, bro. Look at that. Bitch, it's 2:37. We all got scars on the shit. We don't fucking filter on us.
Yeah, it's 2:37.
Remember when you was talking about so you used to be out all night?
Okay.
I ain't no shit on shit. That 10 o'clock. That's what the fuck I said. That's what the fuck I said. Did you talk about some? So I might as well. No, what I said was I'm not as strong no more, so I might as well be up. Exactly. Bitch, you was sleeping before. What I said was fuck time.
You keep talking about what you said, bitch.
Because that's what I said. Not what the fuck y'all said. You know what, bitch? I'm talking. No, fuck y'all. No, G. Bitch is like a pro. Shorty fucking called me. She told me, yeah, what are your body doing? I said, bitch, say something. What the fuck? Your body, bitch. I said, can't force herself to throw up and shit. I said, yes.
I was throw up, but I'm glad I did that because that made me feel better. But being talked to she was like, KK, you want to take a shot? I said something, and she was like, you gonna take one? When we get back, I was like, yeah, I'll probably take one when we get back. Then when we got back, she asked me, I thought her.
Why y'all fucking think this in front of me? Oh, y'all. I was thinking you right, bitch. That's why you said that. Bitch, fuck y'all. Fuck you, I'm getting on fuck. What a shot? No, bitch.
I mean, we can't take a shot. I'm here. I'm sorry, BT. Okay.
Bitch,
We're gonna do the video again.
Hold it, bitch.
Yeah, when y'all took that shot,
Okay, y'all.
I
I'm
did not
here.
take that shit with y'all.
It's the birthday girl.
You feel me?
I'm waiting for her to come.
Y'all finna say something?
KK, what the fuck is you doing?
I was finna throw up this.
Girl, see her doing it. Girl, what the fuck you doing?
That ain't where's she a nigga?
Oh my god.
Oh no, BPs.
But yeah, I didn't take that shot with y'all. That's why I was sitting by the sink. I had poured it out when y'all took that shot. I made the face and everything. I took my shake.
You lame as fuck, bitch. You ain't even have to do all that.
It was already.
No, for real. I left by the cup and everything. She thought, Selenia, you coming to take this shot again? I'm like, damn. I swear I forgot about that shit. I was trying to actually leave it alone. I was trying to go back down.
Okay. Y'all ready? Oh, well, I'm finna go look at some shit. I better see a lizard. Then we can go outside.
Why you don't want to feel like it's like the sun outside?
Oh, my. Okay, well, damn. We can wait. I'm trying to get on my vibe. I just came. Everybody sleep.
Bro, my man put me. I know he's so fucking drunk. I'm waking him up. I'm like, I'm trying to tell him the price of the Uber. He doesn't hear me.
What he said?
Bro, he was on his phone on fucking TikTok. I'm like, bro, is you faking like you finna be like I'm like, I know you're not faking with me like you finna be sick right now, for real. Then I'm like, okay, whatever. So then I'm like, you was saying some shit. I'm like, boy, bitch, how you gonna get here? You ain't got the fucking address. Like, so I asked him, like, send me the address. He go on his phone. I'm like, wait a minute, what the fuck is he doing? I go up, look over. How the fuck is he in his fucking Apple Pay transactions and he sleep? I'm like, what the fuck is you doing? I'm like, bro, send me the address. Like,
Bitch, he was drunk.
bro, he tired as fuck. I'm like, I can't wait to tell you about what you done when you wake up, for real.
Y'all gonna have some stories.
Girl, I don't even know. He thought him too.
No.
What the fuck is you talking about? Like, then I was so confused because I swear, like.
That shit was just funny.
Cause then he later. I'm not gonna do this no more. Let's go. Right now.
But yo, earlier when you was in the room, what happened?
Yeah, then I was actually about to go to the bathroom when I realized you were probably see in the bathroom. So I got my ass up.
Yeah.
We left the cups out here.
Okay. They had them a fun time. Gee, they had them a fun time.
I'm talking about her in this song.
Me? Girl, that sounds stuck in my
I said
head. You feel cooking?
I'm talking to both of y'all.
Oh, my bad. You're welcome.
You want sausage? She still.
Who?
You want sausage? You want bacon?
Tia.
Huh? You want sissy? You want sausage or bacon?
Me? I need one of both. A bacon and a sausage. Bitch, my back is very small. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Hey, get the trash.
Bacon.
Start keeping that trash.
It's more.
Big back too. Hey, what up?
Look at her, y'all. She looks so good. Period. Look at her. Oh, Tiki. Period.
How that is, let me go.
Okay.
Let me touch it.
Hold on.
Let me touch it.
Hold on. Well, yeah. Let's see Lania. She looking cute. She over here putting shit up. Me and the mama. Say hey to the vlog.
Y'all know. I'll be the
She irritated and shit. Like, girl.
Hey y'all. Hey vlog. My birthday is tomorrow. We got
How you feel?
in the cleaner movie. Where do we go?
Girl, what KK?
KK out here.
Okay. Let's see, what KK? You did?
She took me back.
Oh my god.
I need some energy.
KK, say hey to the vlog. That's looking sexy. Oh, she talking right now. Bye, it's okay. My bad. And then we got me.
Damn.
Hold on, y'all.
Y'all ain't gonna lie. I forgot the rules already.
Ooh, but yeah. Look at
Girl, you know that.
yeah. I ain't lying, dog. I'm his favorite. We should have teed this motherfucker up before we late. Okay. Oh shit.
That's my phone. Yeah. Wait.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Baby, don't play with it. Am I hearing something? All that ass.
I don't think she really heard something. I stopped like, did you hear something? They doing second.
So y'all, we finna go ride jet skis. We waiting on them to finish taking a little test that they can take. So yeah, that's what we waiting on.
They the one who told us to be ready by 1. Then it's
Yeah, we
2:30 and we've been ready for an hour. These niggas still not ready.
Yeah, so the female's ready first.
First time forever.
Okay, that's crazy. Usually every girl be last.
Can you set that on that brown table too?
But you knew that though. So yeah. I can't wait to ride these jet skis.
This little shit messy.
What is that?
The pancake mix.
Oh. But you knew that though. Yeah. Can I eat that last biscuit?
Gee, I wanted that.
Huh?
I swear I wanted that biscuit. That motherfucker look good. Or just give me a piece.
The whole.
Just give me a piece. Actually, it should be in me or Mary's room. It should be in me or Mary's room. We just cleaning up that person.
It is sexy.
My Chanel person is dope. Well, I feel
I'm gonna try my camera.
You don't know they
I'll be
like
back.
real and shit be high as fuck. Yeah. Bow.
I ain't even realize you didn't
Bow. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. That's why I was mad my flight got canceled so many times it did. But it's okay. I know I'm gonna come back out here for sure. And actually get a feel for it for real. Well, I can show you this right here. This line down. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ew.
That's a lot.
Okay, there we go.
Somebody shit biting me.
Y'all, so you walking to the Oh my gosh.
No, seriously.
Better not jump from out this sand. Okay.
I don't like this.
Hold on, y'all. I'm finna show y'all here. Y'all see? Damn, we the blackest motherfuckers is. They on the boat and shit. So yeah, y'all.
Yeah, we want to be
Just
It's so many movies now. We gotta play.
oh, where they going? Damn. Okay. Shit.
Motherfuckers ain't good.
This sand made me walk slow as fuck.
No, for real.
Okay.
Y'all ain't this sand.
Oh yeah, that would have been a vibe. Bringing the speaker.
They might have.
So yeah, we out here in Miami. Looking funny.
What?
Looking for the hoochie daddies.
Right.
I'm looking for a hoochie
Cause
daddy.
this sand steady going back up on my motherfucking
Girl,
leg. Shit might be in my head now.
Y'all, I'm excited
It's
though.
high. I'm not really fucking with it.
So how you been feeling about being out here in Miami?
It's cool. That pigeon coming in. I don't want to be right.
Oh, girl.
Gee, I'm scared.
Y'all, she's scared of this pigeon. I throw some sand at that little motherfucker. Oh, they getting some stuff. Can we find somewhere to sit? Oh yes.
Cause that's what I'm gonna need. What happened?
The phone case,
when you
waterproof.
Water. Damn, this shit. Thank you.
Hopefully they do.
I gotta sign a way touch.
Oh, okay. Do they got like look?
That's it. That's it.
Y'all look at them. They were out there for a long time.
Yeah, why is it a rooster? Look at what's up? Oh my god. What's up with that rooster?
That shit scary. I just looked at motherfucker in his eyes.
Wait, let me see. Wait, open the door. Gee, why is it a rooster directly in front of us? Look at it.
Stop.
Why did y'all?
Fuck. Is this what they were trying to do? I feel like this is what they was doing this morning.
We went jet skiing.
Rooster? I ain't never seen that bitch like a duck with Do they bite?
We eating Chick-fil-A right now.
Take your ass up there and close the door.
And playing music.
I'm dead.
Rolls up. And take a few shots. Yeah, what do we have? A drink
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It looks like a junk, but why are the faces?
3 strawberries.
But I used to cannot say that.
Wait, how you? Is we all sitting there?
Yeah, I hope we sit around. I think
Strawberry. 6 strawberry street country. Star, you talking about Star? I'm not gonna record for long just because they playing that music. You want to say hey to the vlog?
Hey, pussy bitches.
I go crazy.
Pussy.
That curve was gon' see in the trip. Shit, floating the pad in the flip. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn my right to the bad. Shit, I'll make.
Yeah, it's an iguana. Look at it. I'm trying not to get too close because it will come out. Like, I wonder we got any little friends or anything. I want to see it move. Should I throw a rock? You think it's gonna come running out? Should I? I just want it to move. What y'all finna do? Y'all finna throw something at it? Okay. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Just in case he gets to coming out.
Do a rock. Don't do no fry.
Yeah, do a rock.
This is like what you finna eat.
Oh.
No, that's too close. That's too close, G. Oh my God.
There you go.
I'm sorry.
Wait, I want to record this.
Ooh. Ooh. Where it's going?
I can't see where that bitch going.
Oh, okay.
Nah, that bitch swimming like a pro.
Oh, that shit coming up.
Okay, hey y'all. So I'm packing my suitcase. It's about time for this trip to end. Sadly, KK over there chilling.
Sexy.
She going back to Atlanta tomorrow.
Yeah, y'all. I'm in bed.
We parting ways.
Right.
It's okay though. We plan on taking a trip to Atlanta
Right, we're going to
soon.
be back together soon.
Real soon. So.
Get another video real soon.
Yeah.
Real soon.
Noted. So yeah. We had went out for Linnea for her birthday. Happy birthday to my best friend. Yeah.
Happy birthday to the sister.
Okay. Okay, big sexy. So yeah. So we had went out for her birthday, went to got dinner and stuff, and her pictures came out so cute. Her pictures were so cute. But yeah. Yeah, and it's 1:47. Everybody playing boards early, right? Yours board early.
Yeah.
What time?
Wait.
Mine at 7:40.
Either 8 something or 9 something.
Okay, damn. My shit really early.
Wait, what time you said? 7 something?
Yeah, 7:40. That's when they depart. So we gotta be up early for our shit. That's cool. But yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go have our last little drinks, all that. And yeah. Bye. Okay, you ready? Oh, that game? Okay. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Wait, we doing? Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Wait, it's the other way. It's the other way. You're supposed to drink. Am I?
Wait, no, because I lost. You got me, so I run and come back. And you supposed to drink.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. You ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Shoot. Well, shoot. So then
Okay. Shoot. Go. Okay. Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I got you.
She's so nasty. Okay, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my God! Kill me now.
Happy birthday, bitch.
Happy
I love
birthday.
you.
Y'all too.
Love you.
Love you.
Period.
I love you. Stop.
It's your birthday, bitch.
For real.
Yes. Sexy. Girl. Yes. Bitch. Okay, shake that ass a little bit. Okay, hey y'all. Wait. We finna get ready to get on our flight. It's like, what time it is?
After we did 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Y'all, we've been towed up. Like,
After we done threw the fuck up and everything.
Yes, y'all. She literally just threw up. I threw up last night.
That wasn't no last night. That was a couple hours ago. Bitch, that was at 2, 3 in the morning.
Okay, my bad, y'all. At 2, 3 in the morning, I threw up. Y'all, we was drinking some Casamigos. That shit's so fucking nasty.
Again, this nigga stay telling me just 5 more minutes, 5 more. Bitch, I'm ready to go.
5 more minutes, baby,
Bitch,
please.
I'm ready to get up
Y'all.
and fat.
Okay.
Then I woke up. It's fucking 6. I said, damn, I ain't never sleep through my alarm. I told everybody to set their alarm. I slept through all that shit.
Girl, my shit ain't started coming. We at G1. My shit ain't started going off until we was up in that motherfucking car. I told you. You heard it in the bag? That was my loudest alarm. Girl. Yeah, she set an alarm on my phone. Bitch, why did you set that alarm? We would never woke up.
I thought I set it for fast.
What?
I was drunk.
What you?
My thigh looked like a stick.
And you really grabbed my phone like you really was. Like she really was setting it, bro.
I said, babe, give me your phone. I'm gonna set the alarm.
Nah, you probably said everybody shit that's the wrong shit.
When your boyfriend came in and went to
I don't even remember getting woke up. I just remember somebody saying me getting woke up to, come on, it's time to get ready to go. Oh, okay, and I just hopped up instantly. Instantly.
They gotta clean up the house and shit.
Who?
Josh and Mike.
Oh.
And after that, they gonna grab it.
Oh, okay. Well, they driving too, so, you know. That's nice of them. Oh, I'm sorry for that throw up. Damn.
I know he's gonna be shitty as hell, but I just text him like, I made it. But I blew up though.
Tell him my bad for that throw up, cause they gonna have to pick that shit up.
Take a shot. Take a shot.
Man, I kept telling they ass take a shot. I ain't no better.
You definitely kept telling me, is it time for shots? Is it time for shots?
Yeah, I'm the most non-drinker of the motherfucking group, and I'm telling everybody to take shots yesterday. That's how you know I was drunk. Yeah, just a regular black shirt, some jogging pants, and my little shoes. I wish I had a hoodie, but when you trying to pack quickly, like, you just be forgetting shit. I forgot a lot of shit that I should have packed. Like,
girl, yeah. And I'm mad I ain't even wear my fucking outfit that I said. It's okay. I'm going back to Miami.
That's what I said. We actually gonna go to Miami
You
though.
know what pissed me off?
Dang.
This bitch was like,
Please read that safety information card. It has the safety criteria as well as the safety function
It's now
for that area
7:23.
on the back
I
of
just
the
connected
card.
today Wi-Fi. Y'all hear them talking.
If you
so 48 in
are not willing to do
my stomach is so
these
down. I hope
procedures or any of the functions related to that card, please let a flight attendant know so that you may be reseated.
I hope
Thank
they
you.
provide snacks, because I need a snack. I need some water. I'm not even gonna lie, like, you know? Yeah. So this was a success. I love food. I gave us editors. Yeah, I did everything. I'm mad my camera died when we did jet skis. Like, it's cool though. I got videos on my phone that I'm just have to implement. So yeah. Bye. Shorty out. Shorty took Miami down. And we out now. Back in Chicago with me.